Michelle Louise Webb.
It's been forever. I'm so sorry. Okay, but I'm back, and it's my goal to make more videos for this channel. I just started a new channel called Kate's Book Club. You can check it out here. And so I've been focusing mainly on doing videos for that channel. So I really want you guys to check it out because I've been spending a lot of time working on it. Cool stuff too. I actually got to interview one of my favorite authors, Shannon Hale. She's the author of about 9 fabulous books. I was able to interview her one-on-one and it was so awesome. I'll put a link right about here. Also in this video is some information about how you can win a signed copy of The Goose Girl, which is my favorite book by Shannon Hale. So be sure to check it out because the more entries, the more fun it is for me. NaNoWriMo. It starts on Sunday and I am so excited. For those of you who don't know what NaNoWriMo is, it stands for National Novel Writing Month. The sole purpose of NaNoWriMo is to write your very own novel of at least 50,000 words. 50,000 words, it may sound like a lot, but if you write 1,666 words a day for the 30-day period, it's not that bad. 1,666 words isn't that many at all. And think about how cool it is at the end of the month. You've written your own novel. That is something that I've always wanted to say, and if this gives me the opportunity and the gumption to do it, then I'm all for it. I found out about it last year about halfway through the month of November and was so disappointed that I wasn't able to join. So I thought I'd give you guys a couple days advance so that you guys could know whether or not you want to sign up. Also, once you're joined, you can add writing buddies to give you motivation. It'll tell you how many words out of the 50K they've written. You can read an excerpt from their novel, exciting stuff like this, and it would just be so cool to have lots of writing buddies. So if you're interested, let me know. Send me a message or leave me a comment. Sign up for NaNoWriMo. It'll be fun. I'm also going to try really, really hard not to leave you guys hanging for a month and a half. I'll try to make videos more. I'll see you later. Oh, I got lipstick on my chin.
Michelle Louise Webb.